Today I am reviewing GMKtec M5 Plus Mini PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The GMKtec M5 Plus Gaming Mini PC is a compact yet incredibly powerful machine that redefines what a mini desktop can deliver. Equipped with the AMD Ryzen 7 5825U processor, featuring 8 cores and 16 threads, it brings impressive multitasking capabilities to the table. With a base clock of 2.0 GHz and turbo boost speeds reaching up to 4.5 GHz, this mini PC strikes a great balance between energy efficiency and raw performance. Built on the advanced Zen 3 Plus architecture, it provides about a 35% performance boost compared to its predecessors like the Ryzen 7 5700U and Ryzen 5 7430U. Whether you're using it for office work, productivity, or gaming, this little powerhouse has you covered. In terms of memory and storage, the GMKtec M5 Plus doesn't hold back. It comes pre-installed with 32 GB of DDR4 Dual Channel RAM, which can be upgraded all the way to 64 GB if needed. This makes it an excellent option for professionals who work with heavy multitasking workloads or gamers who want that extra smoothness. On the storage side, you get a 1TB PCIe SSD right out of the box, ensuring ultra-fast boot times and application loading. What's even better is that it supports dual-slot expansion, meaning you can push the storage up to a massive 4 TB if you want to future-proof your setup. One of the standout features of the M5 Plus is its networking capability. This mini PC includes dual 2.5GbE LAN ports, offering lightning-fast wired internet speeds. For anyone using this device as a home server, firewall, or for advanced networking applications like Sense, this is an absolute game-changer. On top of that, the inclusion of Wi-Fi 6E means you'll enjoy strong wireless performance with lower latency, making it perfect for gamers, streamers, or even professionals working from home. Pair that with Bluetooth 5.2 support, and you can easily connect your wireless peripherals like keyboards, mice, headsets, and speakers with minimal lag. For graphics, the GMKtec M5 Plus integrates AMD Radeon graphics with 8 compute units running at 2000 MHz. While it's not a dedicated GPU, it still handles casual gaming, video editing, and even 4K playback with ease. The real treat, however, is its ability to support triple 4K displays simultaneously. With HDMI 2.0, DisplayPort, and a USB-C port that supports both data and video output, you can run a multi-monitor setup for gaming, content creation, or productivity. Imagine editing videos on one screen, running research on another, and keeping your communication apps open on a third display, all without a hitch. Connectivity is another area where this mini PC shines. With multiple USB 3.2 and USB 2.0 ports, a USB-C port with power delivery and data transfer, HDMI, DisplayPort, and a standard 3.5mm audio jack, it's well equipped for any setup. Whether you're using it as a traditional PC, a gaming rig, a home theater box, or even as a workstation for photo and video editing, the M5 Plus gives you all the flexibility you need in a compact package. The design itself is sleek and minimalist, making it a great fit for both office desks and entertainment centers. Despite its small footprint, it weighs just over a pound, which makes it highly portable. You can easily mount it behind a monitor with the included Visa mount, turning it into a space-saving, all-in-one solution. And even with demanding workloads, it maintains efficient cooling with its built-in air cooling system, ensuring stable performance without loud fan noise. Another strong point of the GMKtec M5 Plus is its warranty and customer support. The company offers a 1-year limited warranty covering design and workmanship defects. Plus, they have a responsive after-sales team ready to help if you run into any issues. This gives peace of mind when investing in a mini PC that you'll likely use daily for both work and play. To sum it all up, the GMKtec M5 Plus Gaming Mini PC is a versatile, compact, and future-proof device that packs desktop-class performance into a small, portable form factor. With its Ryzen 7 5825U processor, upgradable RAM and storage, dual 2.5GbE LAN, Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.2, and triple 4K display support, It truly covers all the bases. Whether you're a gamer, a professional working with heavy applications, or just someone looking for a reliable everyday PC, this mini computer is a fantastic choice. It offers speed, flexibility, and modern connectivity that rivals full-size desktops, making it an outstanding value in today's market.